Hello everyone, today I will show you how to start numbering with prefix. Open your docs file and dragging your mouse, select your text or data. Here you will find this numbering option and click on this triangle option. I will first let normal numbering. Now click on this numbering, select all numbering and select press right button from your keyboard. And here you will find this edit prefix and suffix option. I will add prefix. You can add symbol, any number. I will add hash. Now simply select apply enter list. Okay, and see this prefix already added. Also I'll add here prefix numbering and click this number and press right button on keyboard and select prefix option. I will add here number and dot and suffix dot. I'll remove and simply select OK and see this. Also I'll add here numbering and click here, click right button, select prefix. I'll add a dollar icon and simply select OK and see this. In this way you can add prefix in your data and prefix numbering. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.